The girlfriend of the youth who hanged himself after she went to study nursing in Bangalore against his wish was found alive on Tuesday. She was found hiding in the nearby locale from where the man's body was recovered. The woman was found lying exhausted in a paddy field during a search by locals on Tuesday morning. The woman told police and locals that she had been hiding in the nearby bush all night after finding the man's body. Gopu, 22, son of Girish, was found hanging at the crematorium located in Mamra near Ambiga Market. The young man hanged himself on a plastic rope in a tree near the irrigation department's land located on the west side of Chipungal Bridge. The locals discovered the young man's body hanging from the tree at around 10:30 am on Monday. It is reported that many people had seen a man come to the place in the morning with a woman on the day of the incident. Meanwhile, it was learned that the woman had come to the place for vacation. The woman went missing after the incident. A suicide note written by Gopu stating that he was ending his life after having an argument with his girlfriend was found, along with a lady's bag and a mobile phone belonging to the woman. It was recovered by Kottayam West police, who reached the spot for investigation. Later, a mask and a kerchief were found in the Malikail area. Relatives confirmed that it belonged to the woman. Even though a thorough search was conducted in the area, the prop team did not find any leads about the woman's whereabouts. The place, being filled with bushes and swamps, made the search difficult as well. Later, a dog squad team also arrived at the scene on the same day. Police suspect that the woman may have been hiding in the bushes after seeing the young man's death. A detailed investigation has been launched into the incident. News Desk, Kamadi Global.